Hello dear students of class 5th. Once again, welcome back in your computer classes. I, Vanshika Chauhan, is here to teach you computer. So, in our last video, we are on lesson number 4th. Little bit part we have already completed, and today we will continue with the same chapter, which is no more about MS Windows 7. Okay? So, our topic is screensaver, and till now what we have done, we have a short introduction, okay, about Windows, which is an operating system. Then desktop background, we have talked about what is desktop. What is desktop, students? Yes, it is the screen that appears when we switch on the computer, okay, or this is operating Windows operating system. Yes, and then we have done, or we have studied how to change the desktop background. Okay, there were simple 5 steps to change the desktop background. Okay, so what were the steps? First of all, we have to right click on the empty area, then we have to go on the desktop background option, then picture location, and then what we have to do, we have to search, or we have to select the picture position. Then click the Save Changes button, and our desktop background of our computer changes according to the selected options. Okay, now come on page number 34, and our today's topic is screensaver. I already told you something about screensaver. So what is that? What is it, students? Tell me. Yes, when sometimes what happen, when we are using our system and we left our computer as it is and we go for some other work, then what happened? Some moving pictures of graphics appear on the screen. Okay, these are only the screensavers. Okay, so how we come back towards our original position or to our desktop? Simply we have to press any keyboard key, or we have to move the mouse. Okay, by this we can come back to our desktop screen. So a screensaver is a program that displays moving pictures or graphics on the computer system. It starts when the computer system is left idle sometime without performing any operation. Okay, then changing the screensaver. How we will change the screensaver? So there are simple 6 steps to change the screensaver. So first of all, see the picture, students, in your book. You can see very clearly on page number 34. You can see in your book. Right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalize option. Okay, as you can see in the picture in your book. Then click the screensaver option. A new window appears. Then second one here. Okay, this is our second step. What is the second step? Click to screensaver. Okay, then third one, select any screensaver from the screensaver list box. Okay, here it is given. Step third, select any screensaver as up to your choice, whatever you want. If you want to see the preview of the selected screensaver on the computer screen, just click on the preview button. Okay, then now our fourth step. What is our fourth step? To set the idle time of a computer, after which the screensaver starts, set the number of minutes in the wait box. Okay, means what does it mean? The changing period. Okay, the time interval we have to mention according to minutes. Then click the apply button and click the OK button. Understood, dear students? Okay, so the screensaver of your computer changes according to the selected options. Understood? Screensaver starts when the system remains idle for the number of minutes specified in the wait box. Understood, dear students? So first of all, what is a screensaver? Then screensaver is the screen when it appears when we left the computer idle for a certain time. And secondly, what we have studied, how to change the screensaver. Just right click on the empty area and select the personalize option. Then screensaver option we have to select. Then what we have to do, from the screensaver list box, we have to select any of the screensaver according to our choice. Okay. Then what we have to do, we have to mention the minutes or time interval, time period, then apply button and finally click on the OK button. Okay. Hope you have understood this. Now coming towards our next topic, come on page number 35, which is window color. Okay. So what is window color? The color of window border changes because of the window color option. Okay, we have already seen many times that our screen changes the colors. Okay, what is it actually? It is the window color option. Okay, then what are the steps that we should take to change the window color? So the following steps should be taken to change the window color are, first of all, you can see the picture in your book. Step first, right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalize option. Okay, same step as we follow in changing the screensaver. What is it? Right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalize option. Then step second, click the window color option. Then step 3, select your favorite color. And step 4, click the save changes button. Okay. So these are the steps which are followed to change the color of your window. Once again I will repeat. Click at any empty area on the desktop. Then select the window color option. Then select your favorite color, whatever you want to apply. Okay. Then click save changes button. Okay. So these are your steps to change the window color. Then gadgets. What are gadgets? The mini programs that provide information at a glance and easy access to frequently used tools are called gadgets. So you can understand these by these simple examples. For example, the calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, free headlines, picture, puzzle, slideshows, weather window, media center are Windows 7 gadgets. Okay. So what are these? Are the small or mini programs that provide information at a glance. Okay, in a wide way. Okay. So our next is the steps to be taken in order to add the gadgets on your desktop. Means by default already there are many gadgets, but then also if we want them to put on our desktop screen, then what we have to do? Right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the gadget option. Then second one, then first of all gadget window appears. Then double click at the gadgets you want to place on your desktop. The gadgets get placed on the right side of the desktop. Okay. So these are the simple 2 steps to add the gadgets on our desktop. Okay. So these are the, let us be familiar with some of the Windows 7 gadgets. What are first of all currency? What is the use of currency? These are used to convert the currency value of any country into any other country's currency value. Then weather, we are very well aware with the weather. Gadgets gives the weather information of any place around the world. Then slideshow, this shows the continuous slideshow of picture on your system available. Understood? Now icons, come on page number 37, icons. So these are the small pictures representation files. Okay, as we see here, you can see in your book also here computer, recycle bin and network. Okay, so these are known as the gadgets. Sorry, icons are called icons. Any program can be opened directly by double clicking on its icon. Icon on the desktop are called shortcuts. What are known as icons which are present on the desktop are called shortcuts. This icon displays list of hard disk, CD drive and portable drive. For example, local disk, double click on the drive to see the contents in it. Okay. So simply what is the main thing that is mentioned in the book is these icons which are present on the desktop are called shortcuts. Okay. So secondly, this icon opens recycle bin where deleted files and folders are moved. We can say that it is a dustbin for a computer. Okay. If we want, after deleting also, if we want for a particular time period, all the data is recorded there. So this icon displays shared files or folders on a computer connected to the network. Understood? Today, that is all for today. Okay. Then we will continue our next topic, control panel, in our next video. Okay, in our next class. Till then, what you have to do in your homework, you have to read out the chapter till here and revise it. Okay, and if you are facing any problem in any of the topic, then you can ask me again. Okay, till then, take care.